pump up to discharge into the cistern. Cistern. And so this pumps into here, into the cistern. This pump pumps it into the house. Propane on demand. Green is good. Success. Hot water achieved again. I already had one. The hot water means the dishes are now done. Dinner has been made and wood is in the house, so let's light the fire. After a busy day, fire's going, house is warm, kids are eating dinner. That's it for today. So you want to live off grid? That's how it works. Life is now here, off grid.